like to encourage everybody to participate actively and give speeches. This is how you improve. And today's key speech is about Salesforce CRM. Please welcome Kashi.
Thank you, Mr. Postmaster. Welcome, guys. So for today's title of my speech, was impromptu speech, I thought I'll be able to share one of my passions, the industry that I work in, the work that I really like to do, is and give you an introduction on Salesforce.com platform and the CRM. And my goal is to just help you understand what it is at very high level in 5 to 7 minutes that we have. So first of all, how many people know what CRM is? Oh, cool. How many people know what Salesforce.com is? A few of them. All right. So as you all know, what CRM is, it's customer relationship management. I've been doing CRM for almost a decade now. I've done a lot of major platforms, PeopleSoft, about half a dozen CRM solutions. Some very major misunderstanding I find in different clients is how they treat what CRM is all about. Most of them think it's a product on the shelf. We take 3 months, we take it, we implement it, and we are good to go, right? And they forget about this part of C. It's about customer relationship management, and that goes around the customer life cycle. Not in 3 months, you're done, up and running and go. So how many people you have your own business or run independent consulting? So more than half of the people. So this speech will definitely relate to you because we are dealing with our prospect and customer and how we need to do customer lifecycle management. This is what CRM is all about, and I call it. This is one of my brainstorming. How I say what is CRM 360 or customer 360 look like? It starts from your marketing automation. For example, what I mean by marketing automation, that our marketing department is doing some kind of campaigns. Campaigns are trade shows. They're going to visit any school or any other place, and they're doing advertising, and they are doing some collaterals that they're distributing. From there, what happens? The campaign results in to some of the leads, people who just show interest. Who will like your product? I will be talking to you. Sure. Some of them will be hot lead, will say, give me your phone number and let's set up a meeting. And some will be, yeah, I just take your card and they just throw it in the garbage. So then you get different type of leads. You get the hot lead and you get the cold lead. Right? What happens? So all this is being done by marketing department. Don't have a lot of white from all over there. The marketing department then nurture the lead. What they do the follow-up campaign. They contact them. They email them. They try to make sure which product or services they're interested in. Once they nurture the lead, so they nurture it, and as soon as their interest is confirmed, they're really interested in our product, ready to buy or something, they handshake this to their sales department. So marketing automation, the process I explained is the manual process, what we do is, and there are tools in the market which help you automate that process. So I'll get into automation later, but my goal is to help you how these four pieces connect to each other. From marketing automation, it goes to sales. Then what sales does, now sales, what salespeople do? They just go and close the deal. They go and actively, there are two kinds of sellers, hunter or the farmers. Right? The hunter are knock the door, sell, and close and go out. And farmers keep working in the long sales cycle and all those. Then the sales, when it goes to the sales, the lead actually has become a prospect for you. So now these two terms, the lead and the prospect, sometimes they get changed, they get used interchangeably, depending on which industry you are in and what company you are working with, what their sales cycle look like. Some treat them as the same. Some treat them, this is marketing, this when it comes to the sales. So for the sale, it is still not an opportunity. For sale, it is still someone who's interested. I have to work and go through my sales cycle, whatever sales cycle is. So typical small sales cycle is you do discovery, you do presentation, and you close. Short sales cycle. Once I do discovery, I have a meeting with you, and on the phone call, you say, yeah, I'm interested. We set up a meeting. Wow, I'm presenting what my product is. As soon as I have a present, this prospect become an opportunity for me. Opportunity is something where I have probability to sell and close the deal. As soon as it becomes the opportunity, I try to close the deal and ink an agreement with that. Then this opportunity is close one. Either it can go two routes. It is lost, lost. They're not interested in product, but they say, yeah, we're going to buy it. So the opportunity to close one, that's where the sales cycle ends. And they now go to service. You see, from sales, now we are going handshaking with the service. And when the service comes, and what the service do? They make sure whatever the sales promise, whatever marketing promise and the sales promise, we can deliver on it. And that's where you will get a lot of gaps in the industry and the company where the bridge are broken and communication is not there. So service deliver your product, installation and whatever they need to do. And after that, this is what where Salesforce.com is doing a lot of innovation, social engagement. In order to retain, because after service, what happens? You have to retain that customer, right? You have to renew it. And how do you do that? When you engage your customer with you, you cannot just leave them in the silos and don't worry about it. That's where the social engagement comes in. And we are living in the era where it's all about customer. Even Mark Benioff from Salesforce.com will call we are living in the customer revolution. It's all about customer. So I call it more like a customer 360. And what Salesforce.com is the right now the #1 cloud platform provider for CRM. And it has been named for 2 or 3 consecutive years by Forbes magazine #1 innovative company. So they are not only the CRM company, they have the tools that automate and make your life easier to do your customer lifecycle management. But they also provide you the entire platform to build your cloud-based application. Not only CRM application, any application where you need to build for the cloud for any prospect or any customer that you have, whether it is a CRM customer or non-CRM customer. And their main product is Salesforce, Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, and Social Cloud. That's what they do. So that's just a high-level introduction about what CRM is all about, what Salesforce is. I plan to use my next speeches to maybe dive into more about those. I also built 2 cloud applications recently. As soon as I launch it, I'll try to share those with you too. Thank you.